Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review few spring dresses from Amazon that are perfect for the springtime and for Easter. I've got a package right here. I have not seen what's inside yet, so I'm really excited to see what's in there and how it all fits, and hopefully everything fits well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a great deal, and thank you very much for doing that. All right, so let's see what's in. I'm just gonna grab the first one. Ooh, a pink dress. Let me try it on. Okay, here's dress number one. What a clever style. Look at those sleeves. I love it. I'm pretty surprised because I didn't think it's gonna fit me this perfectly. This is very interesting part. I'm not gonna untie it, but it comes, it's basically like two separate flaps that you have to tie together, and I just did double tie. I think that looks all right. Here's the back. It's stretchy. It's very soft and flowy and stretchy. I love the color. It's super cute. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I used to hate pink, but nowadays I just love it. I love the length. It's still classy. I don't like too long dresses, I suppose. Like, this is mostly the length I like to wear, but I really like it. I think it's really cute, and I love the sleeves. It gives a lot of flow. I'm positively surprised because I often have trouble of the waist part falling too high for me, but this one is actually perfect. This one sits right on my waist where it's supposed to be, and it's a perfect cut. It is really good cut. So I would definitely recommend that dress. I'm 5'11" again, but I think it would work fine for a shorter person and even a taller person. One more thing I wanted to add. I think this dress would look great with one of those corsets. You know, I don't have one to show you, but I'm talking about the short corsets that kind of fall under your breast and kind of end in your hips. And I think that would match it really well, and you could transform it into one of those medieval style dresses. All right, let's pick another dress. Okay, this one. Ooh, looks flowery. Let's try it on. All right, here it is. Let me think about this for a second. I thought when I ordered it, I saw something different. I'm not exactly sure about this dress. I like it. I like the length. It's longer than the other one, but it's kind of, I guess it's good for Californian sun. Like, I wouldn't get burned. Like, I think about those things a lot. And the fabric is very flowy. It's very light. It's definitely a very light dress. And I like the bottom. I love how it twirls. It's cute. It's cute, but unfortunately, I don't like what's going on in my arms. I think it's a little bit too much for my taste, and it has a little belt that it's maybe not necessary because it's already stretchy, it's already to your body. Like, the belt, maybe it's not needed. The top fits perfect. Again, I'm positively surprised how these dresses fit me, because they fit me perfectly. And I usually have a lot of issues because, you know, I'm tall. Let's see what we can do with those sleeves. I think you can pull them lower a little bit, but it's kind of restricting, so maybe not too much. Maybe you can do it like this. The pattern is all right. I thought maybe it would look a little different in real life, but I still think it's cute. It's a size small, and I think each of these dresses, they will have a lot of different like patterns, colors that you can choose from. I will of course link all of them so you can go and see, and maybe, you know, the cut, it's interesting and I like it, minus the sleeves. And maybe I would pick a different pattern for this dress. Yeah, but I like it. You can play with it like this. Okay, this one is really good. It's extremely soft, you guys. This dress, it's butter. I love it. It's even lighter than the second one. Well, it's less of a fabric, but the fabric alone, when you touch it, it feels even lighter. And I would say the first one was the heaviest. This one is really good. I like the pattern, it's really cute, those little accents. Unfortunately for me, because I'm tall again, it appears to be a little bit short. And I can tell by the bottom, I think this line is supposed to fall maybe like over here. And I feel a little bit uncomfortable perhaps because, you know, it's like too easy to show too much on the bottom. But I don't know, does it look good regardless? Like, I'm not sure. I feel like it's made for maybe a girl that is 5'6" to 5'9", or maybe even shorter. I love just the sleeves are so cute. They're not too much. It's like a little accent, little extra texture on them. I love the front. It's just sits perfectly here. Yeah, let me know which one you like the best. I must say the first one probably is my favorite. This one falls second and the second one goes third. I think it's mainly because I'm a fan of this length. I like the color too. I don't really have too many green dresses, so this will be good. I'm just a little worried about the length, which I'm curious to hear what you think. Which dress would you pick for the springtime? Let me know in the comments. That was the review of 3 best-selling Easter spring dresses. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.